zina obstruct movement yake. Ndio hivyo hapo manzo.
Kenya really gave us a run for our money. We played them last year at semis, and I can say that this year they've come out really strong. I've been surprised, but now I'm glad I've taken the 2 points. Now I just need to go back and strategize. I still have 2 more games.
Compared to last year, I think for us we've improved big time. We're putting a lot of work. You've seen the same kids that were there, and they're here today playing at a high level. And if you look, there has not been any huge difference in both teams. It's just that it means just one team has really worked hard to catch up with the other, because we've played against them last year and it was a blowout. This year, losing by 4 points to the defending champions, I think only kudos to our team.